Good morning, dear students. Let's start with the explanation of the 12 months. From the page number 9, last paragraph. Great January stood up and went to one of the younger months, that is, the January month stood and it went near the March month. It was March and giving him the club. Here, the meaning of a club is thick stick giving in the hands of the March, and he said, Brother, take the high seat. High seat means you can see the picture given on the page number 9. There is one chair type of a seat that is known as the high seat. So now January gives that seat to the March. March took the high seat upon the stone and waved the club over the fire. The fire blazed up, the snow began to melt, the trees began to bud, and the ground was at once covered with grass. It was springtime. March took the high seat upon the stone and waved the club over the fire. The meaning of these lines is, as if you can see the picture on the page number 9 given. There is a boy who wore a red color coat. In his hand there is one stick. That stick is known as a club. He put that stick on the fire to blow it more. The fire blazed up and the snow began to melt. The trees began to bud and the ground was at once covered with the grass. It was a springtime. So that March has made a magic by blowing the club over the fire, and by doing that the snow began to melt and the trees began to bud and the ground was covered with the grass, and that season was known as a springtime. The violets began to bloom among the little leaves, and before Maracula had time to think, so many of them had sprung that they looked like a blue cloth spread out on the ground. As the March waved the club over the fire, everything was turned out into a blue bed that was full of violet flowers on the ground. The meaning of a sprung is to jump. Maracula picked them joyfully till she had a big bunch. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scampered merrily home. The meaning of scampered is move quickly with small light step. As March commanded Maracula to pick all the flowers, she enjoyed it joyfully and she thanked all the months with all of her heart and slowly went to her house with merrily and full-hearted. Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Maracula bringing the violets. They opened the door to her and the scent of violets filled all the cottage. So when they saw the Maracula coming back, the Helena and the stepmother was wondered by seeing the violets. So they opened the door to her and the scent of the violets filled all the cottage. Where did you get them? Asked Helena sulkily. Sulkily meaning is in a bad tempered way. So instead of getting happy, Helena asked her in a very angry way that where did you get them? They are growing under the bushes in a forest on the mountains high. So Maracula answered that they are going on the forest on the top of the mountains. Helena snatched all the flowers and did not give even a single one to her sister. So instead of giving to Maracula, she took away all the flowers from her. The next day, she called to her sister and said, Go Maracula and get me some strawberries from the forest. She ordered her to go and get the strawberries from the forest. Alas, dear sister, where could I find any strawberries in this hard winter? Said Maracula. Expressed that where can I find the strawberries in this hard winter? How dare you argue? Go at once and get me the strawberries or I will kill you. Now Helena shouted angrily on the Maracula and asked her to bring the strawberries or she will kill to her. The stepmother caught hold of Maracula and pushed her out of the door and shut it after her. Maracula went to the forest weeping bitterly. The meaning of weeping bitterly is getting disappointed. The snow was lying deep and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen anywhere. As we begin to walk, our footprints get traced on the ground. So she was not able to see all these footprints on the ground. she wandered about for a long time. So for a long time she was moving around in a forest, tortured by hunger, means she was feeling too much of hungry, and trembling with cold, shivering with cold. At last she saw the light she had seen the other day. Overjoyed, she went towards it. She came to the great fire with the 12 months sitting around it. Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at fire. Great January nodded and asked her, "Why have you come again, and what are you looking for here?" So here, when he saw that little girl again there, he asked her the question that, "Why did you come again here?" She answered, "I am looking for strawberries. My sister Helena and my stepmother made me bring some strawberries, and if I don't, they will kill me. Tell me, fathers, tell me please where I can find them." So she was asking for these fathers to please tell that where she will find the strawberries. Great January arose, means he stood up. He went over to the month sitting opposite to him. It was June. So he went near to the month of the June and handed the club to him, that is, that stick, thick stick, saying, "Brother, take the high seat." June took the high seat upon the stone and swung the club over the fire as he has done earlier during the violets. The fire shot up and its heat melted the snow in a moment. The ground was all green, the trees were covered with leaves, the birds began to sing, and the forest was filled with all kinds of flowers. It was summer. So the June also did same like the March month. He stood up and he swung the club over the fire. The ice began to melt, the ground was full of green, covered with leaves, birds began to sing, and all the forest was filled with the kinds of flowers, and it was a summer season. The ground under the bushes was covered with white starlets. The white starlets meaning is small stars. The starry blossoms were turning into strawberries every minute. So the starry blossoms were turning into the strawberries every minute. They ripened at once, means they turned into the ripened ones. And before Maracula had time to think, there were so many of them. So in a minute, it changed. The ground changed into a strawberries ground, that it looked as though a red carpet had been spread on the ground. So the ground was looking like a red carpet spread on the ground. "Pick them at once," Maracula commanded June. Maracula picked them joyfully till she had filled her apron full. Meaning of apron is a piece of clothing you wear especially when you are cooking. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scampered merrily home. Scampered meaning, I have already told you, it is that walk with a small light steps. After the June has commanded, Maracula started picking up all the strawberries and putting in her apron till it was filled with it, and she started moving to the home with merrily. Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Maracula bringing the strawberries. Her apron was full of them. So they were shocked when Maracula returned with the strawberries full of apron. "Where did you pick them?" asked Helena sulkily. Again in the anger, Helena asked to Maracula. "There are plenty of them growing in the forest on the high mountains." Helena took all the strawberries and ate them all up with her mother. They didn't leave even a single one for Maracula. So both the mother and the daughter ate the strawberries and didn't give even a single strawberry to the Maracula. On the third day, Helena ordered Maracula, "Go into the forest and get me some red apples." So on the third day also, Helena was having interest to send Maracula to the forest and to get some red apples. The stepmother caught hold of Maracula and without giving her a chance to speak, pushed her out of the door and shut it after her. So she sent to her to the forest very threateningly. Rest of the lesson we will continue in the next class. Thank you.